3, 2, 1, everything down. I missed. Come back. Come back. Just come back, Castle. Just walk back, Castle. Everyone spread inside. You don't have any defensives. Cooldowns ready? Heal fan.
Saan sila nagsisil? Northeast?
Yeah, northeast.
You need to drop your east.
Everyone just chill.
You set for enemy engage.
Yes, chill. I need fakes on the gate, please. Fakes on the gate. Yes, chill. Yeah.
Call for
Ready?
the bombs, guys, ha. If you see any bomb squad, please call them out.
Yeah. Ready, guys.
Watch out for bombs. Just watch out for bombs. Fake.
Yeah, it's fine. Chill. Just chill. See how deep disciplined they are.
Sa northwest side may dalawang gala, may isang A3, may isang 6-3.
Sige lang. Just watch out. Just spread later, guys. Ready? On the gate.
May siege
Yes,
bolt din. There is
Yeah,
mounted northwest na.
Everything on the gate. 3, 2, 1. Just on the gate. Yeah, you spread. No, you spread. Engaging. Tell me if gate's broken. Keep telling me HP of gate. We're just gonna hold this.
20%.
20%.
Okay, good.
Topping up
Keep,
now.
keep doing random picks. Yeah, let them break. Let them break. They're gonna try to break both gates. Okay?
Aray ko.
Everyone just chill.
So northwest sila, they're non northwest.
Yeah. Everyone come. Ready.
Uy,
Northeast.
Nice, kid na.
Pakipatay to. On top me. 3, 2, 1. Everything shallow me. Kill this guy. Nice.
Uy.
Everyone go back. Go back. Spread.
40% gate northwest.
Watch northwest. Some people go southeast. Okay, ready. They're gonna try to full push and brawl, Full push and brawl, Be ready. Okay.
What's up?
Cooldowns.
Ready.
They're gonna walking in. Ready defensives. Walk in. Guys, ready northwest. Northwest, guys. Northwest deep. Hold them. Northwest deep time. 5,
They're
4,
coming in
3, 1.
northeast now.
Everyone spread on south. Go inside if you're low. Go inside. Ready your kick backs. Just ready defensives. Just chill. Everyone just chill. Just hold them. They're really bad. Brawlers can brawl. Guys, walk out and brawl. Walk out, boys. Walk out, spread. Ready north. Deep north, guys. Fakes. I need fakes. I'm lagging. Guys, ready north. On top me. 3, 2, 1. Empty north. Wipe this north. Now you spread. If you're low, go back. Don't get hit. If you're low, go back. Spread. Just spread and brawl. Defensive out. Guys, ready, hold. Guys, ready. Yeah. Walk in now. Everyone walk in. Spread. Ready northwest. Everyone northwest. Guys, ready. Guys, hold them northwest. Northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, everything down. Nice. Now you spread. Spread again. They're coming from northwest. Spread. Pressure geek pads, pressure defenses, bro. Spread. You spread and brawl. You guys are healthy as fuck. 10 seconds we have engage. Just brawl. If you guys are low, go back. Okay, ready. Northwest deep, okay? Guys, ready. Fakes now. Geek pads, southwest. Ready, northwest, bro. Everyone northwest. Everyone walk in. Guys, ready, northwest now. Northwest deep. Yeah. Northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest, Fight, please. Spread now. Spread. You guys are healthy as fuck. Just spread. Geek pads on that, bro. Spread, bro. Can guys spread? Get heals. Spread, guys. There's a lot of space northeast. Ready your defensives. Just spread and chill. Geek pads, defense. Guys, ready, walk in. Guys, ready, northwest, Ready, northwest. Northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Epic out. I'm sure out. Kill that, bro. Nice. Spread again. Give me heals. Spread again, give me heals. Okay, guys, I'm good. Everyone just chill. Walk in and ball, boys. Walk in. Guys, ready for defensives, Pressure defensives, okay? Okay? Guys, ready. We'll keep engaging northwest, guys. May DPS can gap from northeast. Ready, guys? Northwest. Can you fake northwest, Alex? Fake. Yeah, northwest. Guys, ready. On top of me. Northwest now in 5. Hold. Guys, northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, everything out. Dami siya na ka. Nice. Spread again. Get inside. Guys, come back.
Kill for button mana, we can kill.
Come inside and chill. Come inside and chill. Bro, the ones on top of you. Gala, look at the gala. Bro, that gala.
Chariot dismounted.
Yeah. Everyone ready. Spread, boys. Come northwest. Walk in northwest, bro. Don't stay in Lord Room. You're gonna die. Walk in northwest, bro. Northwest deep. Hold it now. Northwest deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest me, boys. Can you guys guide southwest? Can you guys guide southwest?
Defend.
Go southwest. We're getting out, bro. It's
Do we
fine.
have chariot? We're running
Wala.
out of mana, badly.
Come southwest. Go southwest. Chill. Guys, chill. Hold them. Where's the rest of my Zerg, bro? Chill, bro. The ones on top of you. Kill that guy. Ready, northwest, guys. Northwest now. Northwest deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything. Okay, spread get out. I don't know how we get run over. The start was really good. You guys die or what?
Daming na Kip. Tagal na top up.
Nawalan tayo mana?
Tagal na mana.
Mga healers mo kayo po nasa loob ng castle. Walang nagbo-brawl sa